Good morning everyone. In today's video of MIS Management Information System, I am going to discuss the last topic of Unit 5. After that, Unit 5 will be finished and syllabus of MIS will be finished. So basically it is the last but not least video of this whole subject MIS Management Information System. The name of topic is Global IT Management. Global has become from the word globe. Globe means all over the world, or in Hindi we can say संपूर्ण विश्व में. IT stands for information technology. Management means how do we manage anything. So global IT management means how do we manage IT in the business when we do business in international platform. Means when we do business in all over the world, then how we manage information technology. Okay. So details are written over here. Businesses are turning themselves into global concerns. IT means information technology is an important tool in making this transformation and in designing the international organization. Okay, means businesses are becoming global, so for that they need IT. But management of IT in global platform is very important. Okay. As tariffs means tax fall, you can expect to see firms rapidly moving operations to different parts of the world to take advantage of special competencies and disparities in wages means money. Even a one-person company can have worldwide sales through the internet. Means as tax are removing or tax are reducing in international trade or international business, then many companies are becoming global. Even small companies are becoming global using internet. All of our IT design variables that focus on communications such as electronic links, electronic customer service relationships and virtual components are available to help manage and coordinate the global firm. Okay. Means IT and IT related things help companies to become global. The entire world has become the marketplace. Means now everywhere is a market. Everything is a market in all over the world. Now we are not having boundaries. Okay. To do business in our own country, we can do business in any country. To succeed, large companies believe they need to be global, meaning huge and everywhere. Global means huge, big and everywhere. Merger mania means two and more companies are merging with together. They are joining with together. Is occurring across industries as companies aim this goal. The mergers even cross boundaries. Okay, mergers now can exist in cross boundary, means in other countries also. It is not unusual for a British food company to own. Here is an example that a British food company can have US French and other food beverages companies, or a Swiss pharmaceutical company to buy out American and Japanese counterparts. Means any country can now do business in any other country. The internet, for that internet allows companies to work globally. The internet also allows small firms to have a global reach. Europeans can order books over the internet from US companies before books are available from US companies before books are available in their country bookstores. Means now any country's market can buy books from other countries' market till the time the books are not available in their own country's bookstores. So this all is possible by internet, and internet is having information technology. But management of this IT is very important for global business. So today's topic is global IT management. Means when companies are doing business with more than one country, that's called international business. Then how IT helps in international business, and also how to manage information technology in global market or international business. So last topic of Unit 5 is over now, and syllabus of MIS is over now. So this is the last video today. Okay, thank you for listening. Just go through my all videos for the explanation of this subject. Okay, it's a very easy subject, interesting also. Just go and learn from my each and every video. Okay, thank you all.